Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Pinterest fast access step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type in the URL for Pinterest. Press the enter key. You will be directed to the Pinterest homepage. In the upper right corner, locate the login button. Click on the login button. You will see fields for your email and password. Enter your email address in the designated field. Next, type in your password. If you prefer, you can select the option to Remember Me. This will keep you logged in for future visits. Once you have entered your credentials, click the Login button again. Wait for the page to refresh. You should now be logged into your Pinterest account. If you encounter any issues, double-check. If you forgot your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password. Once your password is reset, return to the login page. Enter your email and new password. Click Login once again. You should gain access to your account successfully. Now you can start exploring Pinterest. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.